Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an introductory beginner's review of Lovable AI, a groundbreaking full-stack development platform designed to turn plain English text descriptions into fully functional web applications. If you have ever wanted to launch a software product, code an interactive database, or build a complex software-as-a-service application but lacked the technical programming background, this platform effectively acts as your personal, highly autonomous artificial intelligence software engineer. Unlike traditional front-end visual editors that merely mock up basic website interfaces, Lovable writes complete code bases behind the scenes, instantly configuring functional user authentication login portals, setting up live cloud databases through automated Supabase connections, and wiring up operational Stripe payment checkout processing gateways through simple conversational chat instructions. Beginners will absolutely appreciate the platform's innovative draw-to-build canvas, which allows you to physically sketch user interface elements directly onto the screen and watch the AI instantly convert those raw drawings into responsive, deployment-ready production code. Additionally, the software features a completely zero-credit visual editor tool, which means you can effortlessly perform cosmetic modifications, tweak font choices, adjust color schemes, or realign layout margins on your app without burning through your core monthly generation credits. Your completed project automatically synchronizes directly to an active GitHub repository, granting you total ownership of clean React, TypeScript, and Tailwind code that can easily be maintained or exported to external environments down the line without tedious vendor lock-in. While highly intricate application logic with deeply interdependent back-end components can occasionally cause the AI to cycle into repetitive debugging loops, the speed of going from a literal idea to a live one-click hosted web link is unmatched. Subscribe the channel for more videos.